I like the case that they picked. They got their product photography down. You got the 1660 Super in there. That's the graphics card right there. That's 1660 Super right there. That's it. That's your guy. Skytech, I like their brand name too, their company name, Skytech, Archangel, and I like how they give their systems like gamer-oriented names. Also, this system in the top I really like. I have this on my current CyberPower PC, and it really allows for really nice ventilation in the top. And you don't really have to worry about stuff getting in the top because the mesh there is very good, and it's like double hatched, so you can't really like drop, but definitely don't carry liquids or like spilling liquids down it. But it is porous, but you're not gonna like spill food or crumbs in there. But hopefully you're not bringing that stuff around your PC game, your expensive multi-$1,000 system anyway. Shows you kind of how the tempered glass door opens and you can access the peripherals. Cable management, the LED fans. Where your RAM goes, real easy right there. CPU cooler. They're running, looks like the stock and heatsink. And personally, and I would highly recommend this, I always value frame rates over resolution. What does that mean? So frame rates, FPS, you'll see a lot of gamers say this around. That's just how quickly the screen, how many frames you're seeing per second, which means how smooth it looks for you in playback. There's a huge difference between 30 and 60. If you go higher resolution from 1080p to 1440p, that is less of a noticeable difference as 30 FPS is to 60 FPS. I'd rather be playing 1080p at 60 FPS than 1440p 30 FPS, if that makes sense. There's a better quality gaming experience to have the higher frame rate over the higher resolution. Now, if you can do both, great. I really like the HP Omen brands. Just the Omen line is really cool. I think they did a good job with this design appealing to gamers. You got LED, you got tempered glass. You can see the internals. The Omen logo is cool. It glows. This is the reason for the season right here. This one says 3090. It's a 3080 inside, but this also comes with an Intel Core i9-10850K. Let's hierarchy that real quick. See if it's on the list. Number 7 on the list. You're definitely in top tier territory right here. This is the number 7 CPU in this system on the market. In terms of like benching it versus others, I'd say that's pretty awesome. With the 93.64, it's got a better 1440. We're talking about the Omen. So the Omen here, you're going to be able to 1440p game for sure. So this thing also comes with, of course, your 3080. Here we go, 3080. Your number 4 card. Number 7 CPU, number 4 card on the hierarchies. You're dropping with this system the Omen 30L plus 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD. So if you're not familiar with SSDs, solid state drive, faster loading times for your games, etc. You can pretty much store your entire Steam library on that thing, and you're fine. I mean, it'd be hard pressed to fill it up all entirely with games. You have your operating system on there as well, plus an extra 2 terabytes of normal storage for downloaded files, so you can keep everything separated and clean. Love it. Highly recommend it.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.